Namaste, I am JVN Lakshmi Jangil, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Law and Governance, Department of Management and Commerce. My subject is Corporate Governance and Social Responsibilities. So today I am going to discuss about the topic of Code of Ethics. So let's start with what is Code of Ethics. A code of ethics is a guide of principles designed to help professionals conduct business honestly and with integrity. A code of ethics document may outline the mission and value of the business or organization. How professionals are supposed to approach problems, the ethical principles based on the organization's core values, and the standard to which the professional is held. A code of ethics also refers to as an ethical code may encompass areas such as business ethics, a code of professional practices, and an employee of a code. A code of ethics is just like a set out an organization ethical guidelines and which provide practices to follow or by honestly and integrity and by professionalism. Basically, members of an organization violating the code of ethics which results the section including termination. In some industries, including banking and finance, specific laws govern business conduct. A code of ethics may be voluntarily adopted. Basically, code of ethics is a guide of principles which helps professionals. Business ethics refers to how ethical principles guide a business operations. Common issues solved through the code of ethics under the umbrella of business ethics include employer, employees, relations, discrimination, environmental issues, briberies, and insider trading. So I will discuss about the insider trading on next session. While many laws exist to set basic ethical standards within the business community, it is largely dependent upon a business leadership to develop a code of ethics. A value-based code of ethics addresses a company's core value system. It may outline standards of responsible conduct as they relate to the larger public good and the environment. So, value-based ethical codes may require a greater degree of self-regulation than compliance-based code. So, some code of conduct contain language that address both compliance and values. Uh, let's start with the example of value-based code of ethics. A grocery store chain might create a code of conduct that espouses the company's commitment to health and safety regulations. The grocery chain might also include a statement about refusing to contract with suppliers that feed hormones to livestock or raise animals in inhuman living conditions. So, I'm giving the example of code of ethics. Many firms and organizations have adopted a code of ethics like CFA, CFAI, Chartered Accountant, Chartered Financial Analyst. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.